What's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is Alex and today I'm going to be doing the last things to this Schwinn Copeland before I give it away. On the previous video I replaced the stem and installed the stem adapter. I can leave a link for you over here. But before I start on what I'm going to do on this bike today, I want to invite you to go ahead and subscribe. And if you haven't done so already, turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any future content. Other than that, let me tell you what I'm going to do. I had originally installed the handlebar that I had on the Mongoose Blackham, but it's not too long. So what I'm gonna be doing today is I'm gonna put in the original handlebar from the Axum, and I think that's a 720 millimeters, which is gonna be perfect for this bike. I'm also gonna be installing some pedals. I got this from Amazon for like $10. There's some Eager. I used them on some of my other bikes, and look at those knobs. They are pretty darn good. So the reason I'm changing those pedals is because the pedals that it has right now, they're only nylon or plastic. I don't know what they are, and they're very slippery, so this is just gonna provide me with a little more traction. Let's go ahead and get this done. And I'm not gonna show, I probably won't show everything because I have already done this, and or I just make it really quick. Well, there you have it, really quick and easy. These are the stock pedals that I had, and remember, they usually always come with a sticker, right or left. They always usually come with the sticker for right or left, and they always tighten up towards the front. Both sides, they tighten up toward the front because for one side the thread is reversed, so you gotta be paying attention to those. These felt really cheap and everything, but they're actually very heavy as well. So I think those actually look way better on that blue right there. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. Other than that, thank you guys for watching this video. That's it for this one. See you on the trails. Goodbye.